Hello, class. My name is Mr. Cluff, Mr. Daniel Cluff. Just want to give you a few things of how to do well in this class and a little bit to know about me. I know I won't get to see you every day, but I would like you to know who is that man on the other side of the name today and how I can help you. So here's just a brief introduction about all those points. First and foremost, I want you to know that I want you to succeed. I get no joy out of helping people get bad grades. So here's some tips. First of all, you got to establish a daily schedule. Where are you going to be at every day to move forward on science? It varies for all of you, and you're all working with unique environments. Just move forward daily. The other thing is find a place for you to study. The home is a unique place to find school. Find that place where you can focus, you can study, you can get things done. Pacing. Yeah, most of you are better off working ahead than falling behind. I know that we have our individual schedules, but that being said, get the work done. And if you have any questions, talk with me. I want to know how you see your schedule so I can better help support it. I don't want to force something that you're not willing to do. But likewise, if you need help, make sure I'm available to help you get stuff done. I'm willing to give you feedback within 24 hours. Sometimes it's faster. So if you need some help, look ahead and I'll be there. Let me tell you a little bit about me. My name is Dan Clough. I have a beautiful family, wonderful kids. We love outdoor nature, the world. My poor wife has to deal with me, but she loves me, and I appreciate that. My kids and my family, we're more of the have fun and enjoy life kind of strain of people, so I'm pretty easy to get along with. A couple of things that are interesting to know. I love languages, Spanish, English, and Portuguese. Love those. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be the crocodile hunter, so most things I've caught with my hands that most people don't catch with poles or sticks or nets. I love everything outdoors. Love hiking and everything. Favorite food, without a doubt, chips and salsa. You want to know the thing that I do not want? Oh, reheated scrambled eggs. I ate that once as a kid, and it just about killed me. Whenever I see this, ooh, I would rather eat pig snout. I've had this. I've had this. Pig snout's better. Now, that being said, I love athletes. I love athletic stuff. I run. I follow basketball. The Utah Jazz is the best team ever. We just don't know how to win a championship. So, anyway, that's just kind of me. Growing up, um, if you've ever felt different than people around you, like you don't fit in or you just don't kind of fit the mode, I want you to know that I really understand where you're coming from. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is me, number 44. But if there's anything that you need me to consider, please reach out. My focus is on science, but we know that life's a struggle, so let us know how we can help you out. Um, Basic goals, right? Think of science as something that you grow in daily. Just move forward on it Monday through Friday, get stuff going. When you need help, you can schedule time to meet with me, just plan ahead. Do your best work, and that's good enough. If you do your best work, you will learn. And if you need improvement, I'll let you know. Let's just work forward on getting this done. And just learn to appreciate science. Some people think, oh, you have to love science. That's not true. But if you appreciate it, if you respect it, it will give you advantages in the world to both understand what's going on around you and seize opportunities as they come. Overall, we want you to learn. If there's anything more important to us here, is to make sure that each student is supported. We need to know your schedule so we can help you out. But that also being said is we have the way of delivering this information in a way that hopefully you get it. And that means a lot to us. If you need help, please reach out. But in the end, we want you to learn. So thank you for your time and getting to know me, Mr. Cluff, and how you can do well in class. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help out.